The Kenmore 2-26-14 Bagless Canister Vacuum represents a culmination of efficiency, convenience, and versatility in household cleaning appliances. Engineered to address the challenges of modern cleaning tasks, this compact vacuum offers powerful suction capabilities in a lightweight and maneuverable design. With its innovative filterless dust cup, HEPA filtration system, and a suite of onboard tools, it stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to delivering practical solutions for everyday cleaning needs. In this review, we delve into the features, performance, and specifications of this vacuum, highlighting its strengths and benefits for discerning users seeking an effective cleaning solution. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Compact design and maneuverability. This vacuum boasts a compact size with a tight turning radius, enhancing its maneuverability around furniture and tight spaces. Its lightweight construction facilitates easy lifting and storage, ideal for users seeking a hassle-free cleaning experience. The 360-degree swivel hose further enhances its maneuverability, allowing users to effortlessly navigate around obstacles for thorough cleaning. Number 2. Efficient dust collection. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its filterless dust cup, which collects dirt in a round chamber. This design not only makes emptying the dust cup quick and convenient, but also eliminates the need for replacement bags, saving users both time and money. The transparent dust bin provides visibility, allowing users to monitor the level of dirt and debris and empty it promptly when necessary. Number 3. Versatile cleaning performance. Equipped with a range of onboard tools, including the PET PowerMatum attachment, this vacuum is adept at tackling various cleaning tasks with ease. The PET PowerMatum attachment effectively lifts pet hair, dander, and other stubborn debris from furniture, rugs, and carpeting, making it an excellent choice for pet owners. The compression technology ensures consistent suction power, ensuring thorough cleaning results without any loss of performance. Number 4. HEPA filtration system. For users concerned about air quality, this vacuum features a HEPA-certified filter that effectively captures and traps particles, including dust, pollen, and allergens, ensuring cleaner air exhaust during vacuuming. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals with allergies or respiratory sensitivities, providing peace of mind and a healthier indoor environment. Number 5. Convenient operation. This vacuum is designed for user convenience, featuring upper and lower quick releases that facilitate easy attachment and detachment of onboard tools with the press of a button. This allows for seamless transitions between different surfaces, enhancing efficiency and productivity during cleaning sessions. Additionally, the retractable cord simplifies storage and eliminates the hassle of tangled cords, contributing to a clutter-free cleaning experience. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 16.15 inches length by 24.63 inches width by 17.18 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Kenmore 2-26-14 Bagless Canister Vacuum emerges as a standout choice for households seeking a reliable and efficient cleaning solution. Its compact design, powerful suction, and innovative features make it well-suited for a variety of cleaning tasks, from pet hair removal to allergen control. With user-friendly operation and thoughtful design elements such as the retractable cord and HEPA filtration system, it offers both convenience and performance. Whether tackling everyday messes or deep cleaning sessions, this vacuum proves to be a valuable asset, ensuring a cleaner, healthier living environment for users and their families. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.